RK कॉमर्स अकॅडमी मध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं मनापासून स्वागत आहे. तर आज आपण इंडियन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट ऍक्ट पार्ट 2 म्हणजेच भारतीय करार कायदा भाग 2 अभ्यासणार आहोत. तर हे आपण युनिट वाईज अभ्यासत असतो. तर चला आपल्या व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूया. युनिट 1 कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट ऑफ indemnity of guarantee. Question 1. A contract of indemnity means promise to save from loss. Question 2. The person who promised to indemnify is called. The person who promised to indemnify is called indemnifier. Question 3. The person whose loss is covered is called. The person whose loss is covered is called indemnified. Question 4. Indemnity is contingent contract. 5. Indemnify has right to recover. Indemnified has the right to recover damage caused, some paid under compromise. All of the above option is correct. 6. Indemnity is defined under section. Indemnity is defined under section 124. 7. Indemnity applied to contract involving. Indemnity applies to contract involving loss due to human conduct, loss due to natural event. Both A and B option is correct. 8. Indemnity is valid only if. Indemnity is valid only if express or implied. 9. Indemnity for liability is. Indemnity for liability is primary. 10. Indemnity protect against. Indemnity protect against loss. 11. A contract of guarantee is a contract to perform the promise of a contract of guarantee is a contract to perform the promise of a debtor. 12. How many parties are involved in a contract of guarantee? How many parties are involved in a contract of guarantee? D option is correct. 1. 13. The person who gives the guarantee is called. The person who gives the guarantee is called principal debtor. 14. The person in respect of whose default the guarantee is given is called. The person in respect of whose default the guarantee is given is called creditor. 15. The person to whom the guarantee is given is called. The person to whom the guarantee is given it's called surety. 16. Guarantee is defined under section. Guarantee is defined under section 124. 17. Surety's liability is. Surety's liability is known. Primary, secondary, unlimited. No. D option is correct. 18. Guarantee may be written. 19. Continuing guarantee means. Continuing guarantee means guarantee for single transaction. 20. Surety can be discharged by. Surety can be discharged by variance in contract. 20. Unit 2. Contract relating to bailment and pledge. First, a contract of bailment means delivery of goods for purpose. 2. Bailment is defined under section 148. 3. The person delivering goods is called. The person delivering goods is called boiler. 4. The person receiving goods is called. The person receiving goods is called bailee. 5. Bailment involves delivery of goods. 6. Bailment is valid only if goods delivered for purpose could return after purpose. Both A and B option is correct. Yes, C option is correct. 7. Boiler's duty is disclose known defect. 8. Boiler's duty is take reasonable care, return goods after purpose, not use goods unauthorisedly. All of the above option is correct. 9. Bailment can be gratuitous for consideration. Both A and B option is correct. 10. Bailment ends when. Bailment ends when purpose accomplished, time expired, boiler demand return, all of the above. All of the above option is correct. 11. A pledge means A pledge means sale of goods. 12. Pledge is defined under section. Pledge is defined under section 172. 13. The person delivering goods at security is called. The person delivering goods as security is called boiler. 14. The person receiving goods at security is called. The person receiving goods as security is called pawnee. 15. Pawnee has the right Pawnee has the right to retain good till payment. 16. Pawner's duty is Pawner's duty is repay debt, pay expense, indemnify pawnee. All of the above. All of the above option is correct. 17. Pleasure is a special kind of. Pleasure is a special kind of sale. 18. Pawnee can sell goods if Pawnee can sell goods if one default of payment. On default of payment. 19. Pledge is valid only if goods delivered debt exists. Both A and B option is correct. 20. Pledge differs from mortgage because pledge differs from mortgage because ownership transfer in mortgage. Unit 3. Contract relating to agency. First, an agency means relationship where one acts for another. 2. Agency is defined under section. Section 128, 122. 3. The person who is represented is called. The person who is represented is called principal. 4. The person who represents is called. The person who represents is called agent. 5. Agency may be created by express agreement, implied agreement, ratification. D. All of the above option is correct. 5. Consideration is necessary for agency. Consideration is necessary for agency. D option, non option is correct. 6. Agency can be created by necessary. Agency can be created by necessity. B option is correct. No. 7. Agency by estoppel means. Agency by estoppel means Principal's conduct binds him. 8. Agency by ratification means agency by ratification mean a principal approach unauthorized act. 9. Agent authority may be agent authority may be a actual. 10. Agent duty is render account. 11. Principal duty is pay remuneration. 12. Agent has right to remuneration. 13. Principal is bound by acts of agent if principal is bound by act of agent if within authority. 14. Termination of agency occurs by termination of agency occurs by revocation by principal. 15. Agency terminates by performance when agency terminates by performance purpose accomplished. 16. Agency terminates by agreement when agency terminates by agreement when mutual consent. 17. Agency terminates by law when agency terminates by law when stinity. 18. Agency coupled with interest means agency coupled with interest means agent has interest in subject matter, principal has interest, boiler has interest. D option is correct, known. 19. Agency conflict with interest cannot be terminated by agency conflict with interest cannot be terminated by revocation by principal. Unit 4. Contract relating to partnership. First, partnership means a partnership means agreement between person to share profits. To partnership is defined under section 4 of Indian Partnership Act 1932. 3. Minimum number of person in partnership. Minimum number of person is partnership. 2. Maximum number of person is partnership. General business. Maximum number of person is partnership 20. 5. Partnership form is partnership form is not a separate legal entity. 6. Partnership arrest form. Partnership access from contract. 7. Essential element of partnership is essential element of partnership is agreement, business, profit sharing. All of the above option is correct. 8. Partnership agreement is called partnership agreement. It's called partnership deed. 9. Partnership deed must be partnership deed must be oral written. Both A and B option is correct. 10. Registration of partnership is optional. 11. Type of partners includes activate partner. 12. Minor can be admitted to partnership. Minor can be admitted to partnership known. D option is correct. 13. Partner's duty is partner's duty is 30. Share losses. 14. Partner's right is participate in business. 15. Partnership firm can be dissolved by partnership firm can be dissolved by no court order. 16. Dissolution by agreement means mutual consent. 17. Dissolution by notice applied to registered firm. 18. Dissolution by court may occur when partner become insane, partner guilty of misconduct, business cannot be carried on. All of the above option is correct. 19. On dissolution, assets are applied to pay debts. तर अशाच प्रकारच्या MCQ साठी माझं चॅनल RK कॉमर्स अकॅडमीला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि लाईक व शेअर सुद्धा करा आणि कमेंट मध्ये कळवा की आपल्याला नेक्स्ट कोणत्या टॉपिकवर अशा प्रकारचा व्हिडिओ हवा आहे.